Disha MS, Assistant Professor in Botany, TKM College of Arts and Science, Kollam. Today I am going to discuss a topic on structure and function of chloroplast. First, the introductory part. Chloroplasts are the chlorophyll containing green plastids found in all the green plants and algae. They are the photosynthetic machinery which produces food for all the organisms. And they are among the largest cytoplasmic organelles, clearly observable under the low power of a compound microscope. And its size varies from 4 to 6 micron in diameter and 1 to 3 micron in thickness. It is a semi-autonomous organelle, means it has its own DNA. Next, the structure of the chloroplast. It is a double-walled and fluid-filled bag. It has two membranes. One is outer membrane, which is highly permeable, and the inner membrane, which is less permeable to the molecules. And another space in between the outer and inner membrane is the periplastidial space or intermembrane space. And through this membrane, molecular exchanges may take place from the inner side to the outer side of the cytoplasm, from inner side of the chloroplast to the outside of the cytoplasm. And it has a gelatinous matrix or homogeneous matrix inside the chloroplast. It is called a stroma, and it acts as a metabolic center for several reactions like carbon dioxide fixation in the dark cycle and nucleic acid synthesis and synthesis of sugar, starch, etc. And in the stroma, we can also see several lamellar membrane systems and ribosomes, its own circular DNA, and enzymes for carbon dioxide fixation, DNA replication, etc. Another extensive stromal membrane suspended in the stroma called the thylakoid system. These are the thylakoid system, which is a lamellar membrane, and it is a collection of membranous sacs called thylakoids. In the stroma, we can see membranous disc-like structures called thylakoids, and chlorophyll pigments which are found in the membrane system. And the thylakoid system consists of several cylindrical discs arranged in stalks, and they are called grana. Each granum consists of 10 to 20 discs of thylakoids. And adjacent grana are connected together by a tubular membrane called fret membrane or intergranal thylakoids. So the chlorophyll pigments are being present in the thylakoids or grana. The sites of light reaction is said to be granum, and the sites of dark reaction in photosynthesis is this stroma, because the enzymes for carbon dioxide fixations are present in the stroma of chloroplast. And let me conclude by pointing out the important functions of chloroplast. First one is energy fixation and photosynthesis. The chlorophyll is the center of photosynthesis. Being the center, it produces organic molecules or carbohydrates, and this brings about the energy fixation. And energy fixation is the overall process by which solar energy trapped and converted to chemical energy and conserved in the energy bonds of organic molecules. These chemical energies are conserved in the energy bonds between the carbohydrate molecules. And the second one is the synthesis of nucleic acids and proteins. Being a semi-autonomous organelle, they can synthesize their own nucleic acids and proteins. Another function is to provide energy for and carbon for all heterotrophs. Provide energy and carbon for all the heterotrophs in the universe. And being the photosynthetic center, they can produce the carbohydrate organic molecules, which is the basic source of energy for all the heterotrophs. And another important function is the production of oxygen It's a byproduct of photosynthesis, which is produced in the chloroplast, and this oxygen will enrich the atmosphere. And another important function is the conversion of nitrate into ammonia. And this ammonia will provide nitrogen for the synthesis of amino acids and nucleotides. And these are the important functions of chloroplast. Hope you get points. Thank you.